Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel for the next video. In this video we will see how to install the JDK file, how to install the NetBeans file and how to install the MySQL. Okay, because you know that this is the common problem in the students when they have to perform the practicals, so they are not ready with the softwares. So I will tell you like what is the link for the software, from where how to download and how to install this. So let's see that installation process. First of all, you can see that what are the different types of servers which are used in web applications. So the first one is a GlassFish server, the second is the WebLogic server, JBoss application platform, and the Apache Timecart. So here that GlassFish is a inbuilt server for NetBeans, right? So which will be used for performing that web applications. WebLogic is given by that IBM. JBoss application platform is also given by this IBM. And top Apache Tomcat is a old version when that we will not having that latest web application servers, right? So before GlassFish, we were using that Apache Tomcat for running the applications. What are different IDs for J2EE development? So that you can see here NetBeans, you can see the Eclipse, you can see the IntelliJ IDEA. Right. So we can also use for all the three types for developing that J2 Java programs. But we are discussing about that NetBeans. So you can see the different links. So that J2EE environment setup here. So first of all, what we'll do, we will download that JDK file. So latest file of the JDK. You can see the link here. Then also afterwards, first we will download this, we will install this, then we have to download this NetBeans file, right? So again we have to see that NetBeans file, then we have to install the NetBeans file, and afterwards we need to MySQL, because whenever you are performing the database application, we need the database file also, right? So this is a MySQL file. Okay, so these are the link how to install, how to download, and then how to install the entire setup. So we'll see that how to perform the setup. So first of all, what we'll do, we will copy this link and we'll go to that right. So we will copy here, right? So we will, right. So you can see this directly we can download it. Okay, you have to just click on this file directly, you can download it, or some other applications setups are also there. You can see here that download JDK8 we can also download here, right? So we'll have this file we can also download directly, right? So you know that all the links are given here. This you can see, use this JDK8U, right? So that you can use for this Windows operating system, right? This is for the Linux, Mac OS, then Solaris, then you can see here the Windows, and this is, so you can see, you can choose this file, right? So you have to use this and you have to click on this, right? So you have to click on this for download. Okay, this we will select this, so we will click on this download. Okay, so once it will be downloaded, you can see it will be stored somewhere. Okay, now you have to use the Oracle login, because this is the product of the Oracle, right? So we will use the login, right? So otherwise we can go directly without login, so we will use this one directly, that is the direct link without logging it. So we will click here, right? So after the downloading, we can see that the JDK file will be stored here, right? You can see here that it is stored here. The second thing is you have to download this NetBeans file. So again we will copy this file here, right? So what we'll do, again we'll go back, we will install this, right? So we will download this file. You can see that yeah, so you can see this the page which is open here. This is NetBeans 8.2 ID. There are different types software versions, right? So this is Java SE, then Java EE, the HTML5, JavaScript, then PHP, then C++, right? You can see that there are some here that Java SE having only that JDK NetBeans platform, Java SE and Java FX, then Java EE, then you can see here this HTML5 JavaScript, right? This is only including the PHP and all. So what we'll do, we will download that which will have all the setup. So we will click on this file, download, right? Then you have to click on this download file so that the file will be downloaded. As you can see here, we will install, first we will download it. So once you save it, it will be stored here. So as you can see here, the file will be stored here, right? So I have downloaded this JDK, I have downloaded the NetBeans, right? Same thing, I have to just check this MySQL setup, right? So you have to check this MySQL setup, just copy it, then go here. Yeah, so this was downloaded here. Now we can see this. Yeah, so this is, I will just copy it. You can see here that MySQL installer, this file will be here. Okay, now so here I can choose any one of this developer zone, whatever you can. So this, you can use any one of this file. Okay, so you can use this MySQL and you can store it. So again, after this you can save somewhere, right? So I have saved all those files. Okay, now after you know that after this I will have all these softwares, that JDK 8 this and full version, then I have a NetBeans, then I have a MySQL. Okay, what we'll do, first we will install this JDK first. So you have to install this JDK first. Okay, so it will take time. First it will open, then it will take time. So just wait for a few minutes. Now the file is opening here. Okay, so we are opening this JTK version, JTK file. Parallelly, I can also start this NetBeans file for the installation. So I will just double click on this NetBeans installation file. So it will also be prepared for the installation. As you can see that I have downloaded all those files, so that you can see here that is downloaded here, right? So once it will be ready, it will be started. Yeah, so this is you can see that this is the JDK file. It is being prepared. Yeah, so you have to just click on the next button. You can see a development tool, source code and public. So you have to select the development codes, that you have to click on the next button, right? So this is going on. I will also click on this NetBeans 8.2. So first this file must be installed, and then only NetBeans will. You can see here I'm trying to open this NetBeans, but it will not be installed until and unless that Java file will be installed. So by the time this file will be installed, I will install this MySQL. So yeah, as you can see here, the MySQL process, that next, then you can see this next, right? So that you can see there the next, right? So you have to use this MySQL process also. then you can click on this install button, right? So it will be installed. Yeah, so it will be installed. This MySQL file will be installed. It will ask for the username and password, so you have to provide the username. By default it is root, and then you have to provide the password also while you are installing. So this Java file is going on, setup is going on. In between I will try this NetBeans file if it is started. So file is preparing for the setup. So still that Java is setup is going on. Okay, as you can see that the NetBeans ID is again going to started. Yeah, this process is also this is also going on, and NetBeans file also started here. Yeah, this file is going on. Okay, yeah, so NetBeans is also going on. So you can see that parallelly that NetBeans installer is going on, and this file is going on. You have to just click on next and next, right? So at the end of this that already we have shown you how that MySQL will be installed, how that that Java JDK setup will be installed, right? So also how the NetBeans will be installed. So you have to just click on the next, it will be installed. At the end of this video, that link will be also given in that YouTube link, YouTube, right? So you can see that entire process for this, you know, that how to install, how to download and how to install the JDK, NetBeans and the MySQL file. So this process is going on, and at the end of this continuation we can see that the complete installation process. Okay, so kindly continue with my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the next upcoming videos. Thank you.